What is character set? A character set is a set of valid characters that a language can recognize. A character represents any letter, digit, or any other character. Python has the following character set. Python understands letters from capital A to capital Z, small a to small z, digits 0 to 9, and special symbols like plus, minus, multiply, divide, exponent, etc. Now, what is token? The smallest individual unit in a program is called token. Python has the following tokens: keywords, identifiers, literals, operators, punctuators. Now, what is keyword? The reserved word in Python is called keywords. We cannot use keyword as a normal identifier name, or we can say that we cannot use keyword for creating variable name, function name, etc. Examples of keywords are if, elif, else, for, while, and, or, not, def, return, from, in, pass, etc. So these are the keywords. We cannot use these words for creating variable names, function name, etc.